What's up, everyone? Welcome back to this daily cryptocurrency video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Celr Network, the China ban, as well give us a TA technical analysis on Bitcoin and Celr Network. Let's go on CoinMarketCap and see what Celr Network has. Currently being traded at 6.5 cents. We got 37,000 people watching it, 141. That is its ranked, and currently having a market cap of $361 million. Let's dive into the China ban right now. So pretty bearish news, guys. We got China bans financial payment institutions from cryptocurrency business. So they ban, guys. China is banning financial institutions from essentially purchasing Bitcoin. So people now in China can purchase Bitcoin. The good thing is they're not they're essentially not banning this completely. They're just banning from buying. So if you have asset from before, it's okay for you to hold, but you can't buy any more with a credit card. As you guys can see, China has banned financial institution and payment company from providing services related cryptocurrencies transactions and warned investors against speculative crypto trading. It's funny that once we see a dump on Bitcoin, everyone's there's so much FUD, everyone's panicking, the crypto market is dumping, that's it, it's like the end of the world. But when Bitcoin is when Bitcoin is pumping, let me bring this to the middle. When Bitcoin is pumping for days and months at a time, that's it. It's China allows it. It's okay. But guys, this is BS in my opinion. This is the perfect opportunity to buy the dip. Of course, none of this is financial advice. So always do your own research and due diligence. But let's dive into the charts and see what's up. So first of all, let's dive into the daily time frame. On the exponential moving average, we are pretty bearish, guys, and we are seeing some we are seeing a nice support right here. So let's dive in. These are the exponential moving average, as you guys can see. Let me take that away. So we are pretty well below it, and I've been telling you guys that's when we would break the exponential moving average, we would essentially enter a bear trend. And this is exactly what's happening right now, guys. We are entering a bear trend. So we've been in a bearish trend for quite some time now, and ever since we broke that trend line right here, as you guys know in all my videos, the trend is your friend until it bends, and this has been the trend right here. And we came back down, came back up, popped, got rejected, and now we are currently down. So what is the new trend now? Well, let's have a look. Let's take out some lines. So first of all, this is the trend right here. Okay, you could either put it like this or like that, whichever you guys want. And in this scenario, it would be sort of a falling wedge, which is bullish, and we would come back essentially all the way here. But I wouldn't bank on it yet, so let's take that away. The other thing that you could be looking at is the channel. So this is a new channel that we're in right now, as you guys can see right here. This is a new channel. So we've been bouncing around this a few times. We got 1 bounce, 2 bounce, 3 bounce, 4 bounce. In my opinion, we're probably going to come back up to the 48,000 for 49,000 before coming back down, or eventually break out. That is that's what's happening on the daily time frame. Another thing is right here, guys, we got a nice little beautiful rejection exactly off the 41,500 level, which was a nice rejection off that level. So we are currently sitting right now in a crucial support level. If we break that, I believe we're going to come back down to 28,000 to 33,000 level, and we are also in a head and shoulder. This is the head and shoulder that I spoke a few days ago, and the target would essentially be, let's take that out, put it down to the neckline. Now if I take this and bring it down, as you guys can see, the breakout was right here because this was a neckline. As you guys can see, it meets exactly with the line I just drew, which is exactly the previous support essentially, or resistance. Right here, this previous support. So this is a very interesting level. Now something I really want to have a look at before going into Celr Network is the Bitcoin dominance. The Bitcoin dominance is very important. I mentioned that if we were going to come below this region right here, which is the 40 region, we would see a massive alt season, and we are actually right now getting smacked down. The Bitcoin dominance is getting smacked down. A lot of money is getting flown into the altcoins. So below 40 would be huge. 234 would be the alt season we had in 2017. Essentially, that alt season was the biggest gains we've ever seen in history of the market. We saw coins go up 5,000%. Another thing is the Bitcoin dominance, the futures. This is the futures market in America, of course. That means this market is only open during the weekdays, not during the weekends. So right here we saw a gap. So we have 1 gap and 2 gaps that still need to be filled. But the negative thing, guys, is that we have another gap right here at 23,000 to 26,000 that still haven't been filled. Now, they say that 90% of gaps or 80% of gaps do get filled. So we have a few gaps here that still need to get filled, and that means a lot of people are saying we still need to come back down. Now the other gap that we have is right here. This is the most important gap in my opinion, the 18,000 to $19,000 gap. So we have a few gaps that needs to get filled. A lot of people think, oh well, gaps, they don't matter, they don't matter. Well, guess what, guys, they do matter a lot in my opinion. So we got this level and this level. To the upside, we got a few gaps that still need to be filled. I believe this one was filled already. Yeah, okay, so this one was filled, it looks like, and we still have this one to get filled. And this one was filled already. Just kidding. So both these gaps were filled, unfortunately. They were just filled by two ugly wicks, which I don't like. I like to see a nice body, a nice candled, a full body to be closed in order for it to be a closed gap. So this is pretty bad in my opinion, but it's going to be interesting to see if we can essentially come back down to this area, the 23,000 or even 18, or get rejected by this level. So this is that's that. Now diving into the Celr. Celr is currently exploding, guys. As you guys can see, we are exploding, getting demolished right now, or not getting, like, in a good way. Up 40%, as you guys can see right here, 38.82, 65. And let's have a look what happened. So first of all, right here we did get a few touch. We are still in a downtrend on the daily chart. So we had a one hit which started right here. We got two hits right here, three hits right here, and four hits, which is currently being rejected right now. In my opinion, if we break that level, it's going to be a nice little long to at least that area, to the 10-cent area, which would be a 70% gain, I believe. 53%, sorry. Yeah, it would be about 60% gain if we break that area. In my opinion, are we going to break that? Well, at the end of the day, it's going to depend on Bitcoin. Another thing is we did see a nice double bottom right here. So this was the bottom right here. I mean the downtrend, and then boom, double bottom. So we saw two double bottoms, and for it to be confirmed, we would have to break above this trend line. I mean this resistance, sorry. And this meets exactly with the line I drew a few seconds ago. So look at that, it meets exactly with that. So not only do we have a double bottom, but we also have that trend line right here. So we would have to break two things. We got a cross resistance right here, not only from the trend line but from the resistance, the flat resistance on the 70 cents. So 7 cents is a pretty crucial area in my opinion, and we're gonna have to break that in order for us to go to 10 cents. I would be looking to take a long if we break above that level on the daily time frame. Let's have a look on the 4-hour time frame. Take out the moving averages real quick. So on the moving average, nothing too crazy. We saw a dead cross right here, which was pretty bad, but nothing went bad. I would like to see a nice crossover of the 50 moving average and the 200 moving average. That would be pretty bullish. It would essentially be a golden cross. A golden cross, for you guys who don't know, is when the 50 moving average cross over the 200 moving average. And looking at the RSI real quick, these are the stochastic RSI. We're gonna take that away. So let's take the stochastic RSI real quick. So this is it. We are currently meeting the support right now. We are currently extending the 70 region. For you guys who don't know, when we reach 70, that means it's overbought, and when we reach below 30, that means we're oversold. So in my opinion, I would wait a little bit longer. On the daily time frame, it looks like we're still good. We're up at approximately 50, so that's pretty good in my opinion. We still have some room to grow. So yeah, guys, that's the Celr network for today. That's the update for today. Sorry. If you guys like this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. Also, guys, I am doing a giveaway, so if you guys haven't watched my last video, there's a giveaway on my last video, so go have a look at that video. Anyways, that aside, I'll see you guys tomorrow on my next update. Peace.